So, how to lose belly fat. That's what today's video is going to be. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do, and I'm going to give you guys my tips. Before I get into this video, I'm explaining this. I say this every tutorial on how to lose weight. All the videos that I do, I always say the same thing, and I'm going to continue to say this thing. None of this is going to work. None of these tips is going to work if you're not in a calorie deficit. You have to eat less and work out. Eat less, move your body. That is it. That is it. That was the harsh truth. And I know a lot of people say take sea moss, do apple cider vinegar, it's gonna help you. It's a little, no, don't do all that. Well, let me rephrase, you don't have to do all that. And if you do too much sea moss, it leads to thyroid issues. But anyway, we're not gonna talk about that. I'm just gonna talk about my tips that helped me, and I feel like it may help somebody else. So the first thing is eating healthy. Now, I'm okay with eating the same things over and over. I'm okay with doing that, and it works out for me because, like I said, I know what's in it. I know how many calories and all that good stuff. So I like to stick to what I know. Okay, so meal prep, and each meal that you eat, make sure it has something green in it. Some handful of spinach, broccoli, what have you. Make sure it has some of that. Okay, and don't believe everyone as they say, like, oh, to drink the apple cider vinegar, sea moss, it will help you. Just eat healthy, eat vegetables. And the main thing that helped me lose weight is intermittent fasting. The most important thing is eating healthy and minimize your snacking. This is what helps me as well. Only eat when you're hungry. It sounds so simple, but me, I'm an overeater. I like to snack and all that. So, only eat when you're hungry. Talk about working out. I really feel like working out, you're going to see faster results, especially if you lift weights. In the beginning of your weight loss journey, just do cardio. Just do cardio. Just work out on cardio, and you don't have to run. You do not have to run. I don't run. I just like to do a fast-paced walk with a high incline on the treadmill, and what I mean, it works. It helps. You know what I mean? That thing right there, the treadmill. And it's other machines, especially since my hair, you see my hair, I'm in a natural state, so I don't like too much cardio. I know. Don't judge me, don't. So like the elliptical machines, like I'm not exerting too much energy with that. So I like low pack machines, if that made, I know that makes any sense because I made it up. So those are the type of machines that I like to do, and I still have been losing weight. So that's all that matters, right? That's all that matters. And now let's talk about the workouts that will help you lose belly fat. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the workouts that work out for me. I think that'd be good. This is a different type of tutorial, and that's it. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly the ab workouts that I do. And I always I switch up my workouts. So like one day I'll do upper body, the next day lower body, one day full body. I know it's probably redundant if you have been watching my other tutorials on how to lose weight, but literally that's it. That is it. Eat less and move more. If you never learned anything else from me, just those are the two main things to lose weight. And I always thought that it was a cheat code to losing weight. I just didn't know how to do it when I was younger. I'm like, because I've always been thick my whole life, and I was like, I don't know how to. Mind you, my family's from the South too, and I was raised that, especially for my grandma, we was raised that we have to eat everything that's on our plate. I'm not judging, but I'm just saying. So that's how I was raised when I was younger, and of course that led to me overeating. I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just explaining my story. So when I was younger, of course, I didn't know how to lose weight. You know, I just thought it was impossible. And then of course, YouTube University and a lot of influencers that I follow, they always post what they eat and what they do to lose weight, and I followed them. That's how I started losing weight, and I feel like I learned a lot, and I'm just sharing what I learned.